Hello, friends. So, today's topic is how we attract the things in our life, in basically the law of attraction. So, let's explore. Myself, Dr. Hemant Patil. I am an internationally certified abundance mindset coach, and I am on my mission to help 1 million people to achieve abundance mindset and live their dream life. So, how do we attract things in our life? As we must have seen the law of attraction, the book Rundabayan, or even somewhere heard also about the law of attraction, that what we ask for we get it repeatedly. If we ask for, we get it. It's true also, but there is some small twist. Because suppose example, if you say I want a new car, and then you are asking for new car, maybe you're putting some vision boards, you are saying I want a car, and then you are suppose writing I want a new car, I want a new car, this model, and you are following that all goal wise whatever it should be and all that. But what you are asking for is I want a new car, means the basis from which you are asking is itself from the lack, right? This is what a small twist, that when you're asking the basis, that you don't have that, and that's what you're asking for, right? That means it's in a lack and you are asking for abundance. The abundance will come when there is already an abundance, right? As we have seen in a manifestation process, the thoughts which leads to act, feelings leads to action, the action leads to result, right? So even if according to the basic law of attraction you're properly thinking I want this car, I want that car, you are properly working on that also, but somewhere your thoughts, either maybe whether I'll be able to capable of handling it, how much money I will be able to arrange it, or will I be able to handle that car, will I be able to maintain, or even if the thoughts are not related to car, even there are some thoughts like I'm not good enough, I'm not enough, or even will I able to do that. So something like a self doubt like thoughts are always running, right? And those thoughts masks down your law of attraction desire, right? So, and even in the next phase after the thoughts comes the feeling. So what feelings do we have? So those feelings also bring the result, right? So even if you're wanting the car, from the feeling, from the mind side, you are still not in a thinking mode that I can purchase this car. You're still in that lack, that will I be able to do that? Suppose example, if I say you'll get a 10 crore by working this, will you be able to hold that thought also? Because if it's a big figure, you yourself not able to conceive that thought in your mind even, right? And that's what the equation changes. So see about what feelings you have, maybe some feelings of hatred or resentments for your old car, maybe jealousy feelings for the someone who had just bought that's particular new car what you are asking for. So identify that. And my spiritual master says, when you are in a thinking of already in position with, you get more. And this is a game changer. So the things what you need to change here is starts giving gratitude to your old car. How many kilometers it has helped you to move from here to there, right? How much amount of help it she has done for you, right? So give a gratitude to your old car. Give gratitude to others. Maybe start congratulating the others who already have that car, or maybe also by that way start taking some small actions, like have some small, buy some small kitchen of a Mercedes maybe, and then have that kitchen along with you that you already purchase that. Start saving some amount for that, making doing some SIPs or something for that. Start visualizing that you already have that car with you. Starts making arrangements for that. Start working on that, how you gonna get that process done. So get that all visualization process done. Also along with that, starts writing in a paper, writing in your gratitude journal. We'll see in the next video about how exactly to write the gratitude journal. Start writing that gratitude journal, where starts writing in a form that thanks for having this model of a car. And obviously write you yourself as a before, like thanks for having me this car, because so that, and start giving the reasons below that, because the nature also wants the proofs, right? So start giving the reasons below that. Start putting some reasons that I want to give the luxury expense to my family, I want to enjoy the ride, I want to enjoy the comfort. Also along with that, starts giving some maybe impersonal or maybe some godly reasons also behind that, like something like divine reasons. Example, um, because I want to add that glimpse of pleasure on my parents' face. Maybe I want to help someone to transport from here to there. Along with that, also, so that I can be omnipresent. Like example, omnipresent means I can be present everywhere with this car, which helps me to move from here to there. And that's a God's or divine quality, right? Being omnipresent. So starts writing your gratitude journal for that. And the most important part along with this, the final part, the final, as we have said, is starts being a feeling of have that. Because when you starts giving gratitude to your old car, and when you be in a thinking that you already have one and it's not difficult to have the other one, so you're already in a thinking of possession, because you are not in a thinking of lack. And when you come in this thinking of already having that or possessing with, then it gets very easy to get that goal, right? So we'll go deeper again. This is just a small introduction to the advanced law of attraction. We'll work more on that in the coming videos. So if you like this video, please comment and like and subscribe our YouTube channel also. Till that time, see you in the next video. Thank you.